Hi everyone, we'll be starting the session in next 1 minute. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. We'll start in another minute.
Okay, no, I just saw a comment.
Yeah.
So guys, we'll start in the next 30 seconds. So, good morning everyone and welcome to yet another session of Pre-Bell with William O'Reilly India. In this session, we'll take you through Nifty 50 chart placement along with its probable opening, some key global news and events, how US markets fared through the night, how Asian markets are trading at the moment, and at the end, chart of the day for you. Without much ado, let's start with Nifty 50 chart analysis. This week we started the week with Nifty in rally attempt with positive global cues on Friday with US indices closing more than 2.5% to 3% higher. We expected an FTD on Monday, but Nifty also opened more than 200 points higher, but was unable to sustain its gains in the opening trading session as well and retraced by more than 70 to 80%, 70 to 80 points lower. The good point is that Nifty is still trading above the green line, which is the 10 EMA, but the 21 DMA and 50 DMA is still above the Nifty's current level, which can still act as resistance for Nifty. Going forward, if Nifty is able to stage more than 220 points in a single day, that can be an FTD for Nifty. However, if Nifty goes below the recent lows, we'll downgrade the market to a downtrend. Talking about the key news, IDFC First Bank joined hands with Star Alliance Insurance for Bancassurance tied up. Brigade Enterprises also entered into a joint venture to develop 21 lakh square feet project in Chennai. The Rabi market season of 2022-23, around 187.86 LMT wheat was procured up to June 26. GMR Infra subsidiary Dial completes issuance of 5-year NCDs amounting to 1,000 crores. The NCDs have been priced at interest rates of 9.51% per annum, payable monthly for 36 months, and thereafter at 9.98% per annum. If we talk about the US and the Asian markets, US markets was ended lower yesterday to the tune of 0.2 to 0.7%. Dow Jones closed lower by 0.2%, S&P 500 by 0.3%, Nasdaq by 0.7%. Taking cues from the US counterparts, Asian markets have been trading lower as well, but with a kind of muted bias. Kospi, Nikkei, and Shanghai, all of them are trading lower by around 0.1%. Hang Seng is trading lower by 0.7%. Brent crude oil is trading little higher at $112 per barrel, with respect to its yesterday's close of $110 per barrel. Similarly, with US 10-year bond yield as well at 3.18%, and USD INR has depreciated to 78.44 rupees. Now talking about the SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty is giving clues of negative opening. It was around 830, 835. It was trading at 15,740 with respect to yesterday's close of 15,832. Talking about the chart of the day, the chart of the day is ITC for us. As the market is still in rally attempt, it's not a buy or sell recommendation. The stock will be, or the chart will be talking at the moment is more of for educational purpose. So we all know that ITC is the largest cigarette manufacturer in India and second largest FMCG player in India. Talking about its cigarette business, it has a market share of greater than 78% in India, and it's been consistently gaining market share as well. Talking about the other businesses, it is into plyboards, agri exports, and hotels as well. Talking about the Q4 FY22 results, it delivered good results on the Q4 FY22 front. With on If we talk about the cigarette business, the cigarette business grew by more than the volumes in the cigarette business grew by more than 9%. The other businesses also grew in good double digits as well. Margins was uplifted on account of margin expansions in this cigarette business by 128 bps on account of premiumization and good marketing push by the company. The hotel business has been recovering as well and has grew by more than 35% in Q4 FY22, but still stands little lower than the pre-COVID levels. Going forward as well, with stable taxation in the cigarette business and new launches and premiumization in the cigarette business, along with price growth in the FMCG sector, as well as talking about the recent price hikes and the food inflation, the agri exports business with respect to wheat and other agri products has been doing well as well. On the chart front, the stock has been resilient. As we can see, the RS line has been trending higher. Despite a fair strength of 70, it can be considered good because the off high for the stock is just 4.4%. With the market stumbling, but ITC is able to hold its gains. It's forming a consolidation base and it's still 4% to pivot. Talking about the share held by fund, the share held by the fund is still increasing, which can be seen by the buyer demand as well. The buyer demand for the stock has been great, has been A plus. The group rank has been also good for the stock. So let's see how the stock behaves around the pivot, and if the market remains supportive and we stage an FTD and the markets go into confirmed uptrend, this can be a good stock to watch out for. If the market remains supportive and if the stock breaks out above the pivot. Thank you, and do stay tuned to space of pre-bell with William O'Leary in India for your daily dose of market updates. Thank you.